Whoa. Can you hold on? This one?
Yes.
This one doesn't go in there.
Why?
Because,
That one?
yeah, it's gonna go in the other bowl.
That's for the I'm gonna take this one.
Yeah. You want to move your stool over?
Yes. Your turn is in the living room. Your money, knowing you. Money is knowing you. Your turn is in the room. Oh, my turn. My turn. That's very good.
Okay. Did it come out?
No.
Do you need a spoon?
Yes.
Oh no, you got it. Good job.
Other one.
Are you gonna touch them all? Good job. Okay, let's do it again. I filled it up. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. All the way. Yeah. Squeeze it. Now lift it up. Yay! Good work. Let mommy fill it again.
Hey!
We got one more spot. One more spot.
That's more.
Okay, ready? Fill your last spot right here. Now lift it.